Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete all your Facebook Reels in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select the Settings option from the menu that appears. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications by clicking the bell icon. Now, scroll down and select Activity Log. From here, tap on Your Activity across Facebook. Scroll down to find the Reels section. Next, tap on Reels, and you'll see all the videos you've uploaded. To remove a specific reel, tap the three dots next to the video you want to delete. You can choose to hide from profile if you don't want it visible, or click Delete to remove it entirely. Confirm by tapping Delete again and the reel will be gone. You can repeat this process to delete all your reels from Facebook easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like.